occasionally we'll have clients that will call us with real estate issues that they're having. It could be a real estate issue related to the title of the real estate, how it's titled. Is it titled properly in the proper names? Or maybe they're in the process of buying property, whether it's residential, commercial property, and maybe the seller's backing out, or vice versa. They're the buyer or they're the seller and the buyer's backing out. There's some issues related to the contract, and what can they do if they've been in a contract and at the last minute they're backing out? What can happen? There's promises that are made at the time of contract, various warranties or representations about the property after they've bought the property, and they found out, hey, look, this person wasn't being honest with me when they sold the property to me. What can I do now? I found out this home has all these defects that should have been disclosed to me, but they weren't. Here at Denton Peterson, we do have experience related to these real estate type of issues as far as what the rights and remedies are of a buyer or seller in various situations. We recently, for example, had a case where a man bought property here in Arizona, and unbeknownst to him, his niece had procured title to the property such that the property was now titled in both his name and her name, even though he was the one who bought the property and title was supposed to be in his name. And now he was involved in a lawsuit related to this property that he had no idea his niece even had an interest in. Through our investigation with the county recorder's office, through the proper filings at the court, and our investigation with also the real estate agency that had done the various titling documents, we determined that there was some negligence on their part and perhaps some fraudulent conduct on behalf of his niece in getting title to that property. We were able to file the proper paperwork and get the title corrected so that it was now only in this man's name as it should have been from the beginning. However, this particular man could have saved a lot of time and effort, and candidly, probably about 8 months of headache, had he procured an attorney during the purchase process, instead of waiting until it was at the lawsuit stage, which is what he did. We at Denton & Peterson can help clients whether it's at the litigation stage or preferably during the purchase and or selling stage to avoid the potential lawsuits, which tend to be long and expensive for clients, not to mention the disruption and headache that involves in their lives. We are experienced, and we have attorneys here that have a lot of experience in these real estate contractual issues and procurement issues and titling issues, and we're happy to help our clients with these types of situations.